Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to install MySQL on Windows 10 or 11. To install MySQL on Windows 10, visit the MySQL download page on your browser by typing MySQL download. You will be prompted with lots of options. Among these options is MySQL download. The first link, click on it. It will redirect you to MySQL official site, which is this. So here, just scroll down and you will see MySQL Community GPL download. Click on it. You will again be redirected to a page called MySQL Community Download. So here, click on MySQL Community Download for Windows, which is this. When you click on that, you will again be directed to MySQL Community Download Installer. And here you can see that the recent version is 8.0.39 and we are dealing with Microsoft Windows. So here you have two options. One is 2.1 megabytes, quite small, and the other is 303.6 megabytes. I will recommend you download this one and not this one. Why? Because the web installer is quite small and download components are needed. But this is a full installer and include all components. So I will recommend this. You will again be redirected to this page and you will be asked if you want to log in or sign up. Say no, thanks, just start my download. Click on it. It will start downloading. This will take some few minutes, so we'll wait for it to download. So when your download is complete, come to download and then double click on MySQL installer community version to properly install it in your system. You will be asked administrative questions. Say yes. Say yes again. You can see that MySQL installer has already started installing. So here we will be directed to the actual interface for the installation of MySQL. For a beginner, it's better you use custom. So you just curtail it to those packages that are most necessarily needed. You can as well use full, it will contain all the packages. But in this video, I will be using custom. Click on custom, then next. You have to double click on MySQL server, then extend this, then I'll click on it. So now it's showing MySQL server 8.0.39 and this. I'll click on this, then use this arrow. It will show under products to install. Okay, come to application, expand it as well. So I'll double click here again. It will show my SQL workbench. I'll double click on it again. I'll click on this. My SQL workbench will basically give you GUI interface. That's graphic user interface. So I will again use this arrow to select this to product to be installed. So click on next. These are the two basic products we want to install. So simply click on execute and it's going to start installing. Wait for some few minutes. It's installing already. Can you see the percentage? When it's done, it will show complete. Okay, this shows complete, meaning my SQL server and my SQL workbench is installed. Simply click on next over here and now it's time to configure product configuration, click next here again, type and networking. The settings here, just let them be, and then over here, click on next again. Then it shows authentication method. This is fine. Just come here and click next again. So here it's asking for a password. You type your password over here. So I'm putting my password now, and then repeat the password here as well. Again, and this is okay. Next, Windows service. Everything here is okay. So again here, click next. Then you come to this file permission. The default settings here are fine. So click on next again. And then here is apply configuration. Click on execute. Once you click on execute, it will start executing all these steps. See, it has started executing this, it has done this, it has done this, and it's now in initializing database. So you wait for it for some few seconds. Here we see that our configuration for MySQL Server 8.0.39 was successful. So click finish to continue. And then product configuration, click next. Just click next. Installation complete. The installation procedures has been completed. Click on finish. Our installation is very successful. This is MySQL Workbench interface. Click on the local instance. This is the local instance. You have to click on it and then it will display this. So here you need to repeat that password you used during the installation process. So that's why that password is very important. Make sure you don't forget it. So you will retype that password here. Click on save password. So you won't have to be typing the password over and over again each time you use this MySQL Workbench. Then click on OK and it will launch the MySQL Workbench interface. And here we are. Here is the MySQL Workbench interface. In my next video, you'll see how this interface is much used. So these are the various steps needed to install MySQL on Windows 10. Go ahead and try it and let me know in the comment section if there is any challenges while installing MySQL Workbench. Thanks so much for watching this video. Please do well to subscribe to our channel so you can always get notification on our latest upload. Thank you.